This is not going to be a long video for those of you who do not know that you cannot cut, notch, or drill a hole in the top chord or top flange of a floor joist. Then be warned, because you're going to be doing some heavy-duty repairs if you do. And it's not uncommon to have this happen during construction, especially if someone is cutting the floor sheathing on top of the floor joist. I've seen that happen. And I think the biggest problem you're going to run into as a homeowner is going to be any modifications that you're going to do to the plumbing, or you might want to install a new toilet or a bathtub. Or if you think you can drill a vertical or horizontal hole through the flange or chord. And I think the biggest problem you're going to run into will be if you have the joist located in the wrong spot. And this will be whether you're doing new construction or a remodeling project. So be aware of all of this information before you start a project or design the project, because the location of pipes, wires, and HVAC ducting can create big problems. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.